Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cranberry orange walnut bread. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Plus, I'm also posting new bonus videos as well up until Christmas. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then cut the butter up into cubes. Add it into the flour mixture. And rub and squeeze it between your fingers into the flour until it's combined throughout the flour and there are no large chunks. Set this mixture aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the orange zest, orange juice, egg, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And add in the cranberries and chopped walnuts. And mix them until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. Make sure you scrape down to the bottom of the bowl to mix in all the dry flour at the bottom of the bowl. Lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Pour the batter into the pan. Level out the top. And bake it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool a little longer. And if you like, you can dust it with powdered sugar. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a cranberry orange walnut bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.